Hi guys, welcome to Priyanka's tutoring classes. So today we are going to continue with the module 2, and in this video we are going to learn how to find directional derivation. In the short form it's known as DD. I have already solved one problem on this. This is the second problem. So let's find the DD of the question 5 is equals to, they have given you the 5, they have given you the points, and this is the vector which they have given you. The DD formula is del phi dot n vector. Del phi is related to this and n vector is related to this. Del phi you have to find the del phi of this, and n vector you have to find. I have made detailed video of how to find del phi as well and how to find unit vector also separately in my previous videos. If you want detailed information you can watch out those videos. Now let's find del phi of this. So first I write phi as it is minus 3x square y square z. Now we'll find the del phi of this. Del phi formula I have written many a times, so I directly start solving. So we will differentiate this with respect to x, y and z. So let's first differentiate it with respect to x. So 4z cube is common, constant, x is 1, minus here 3y square, z is constant, x square becomes 2xi, plus now with respect to y. Here there is no y, so it is directly a 0, minus here 3x square, z is constant, y square becomes 2y, j, plus now with respect to z, here 4x is constant, z cube becomes 3z square, minus here 3x square y square is constant, z becomes 1. So this is a del phi. I have differentiated this. Now let's simplify this further. So it's 4z cube minus, it's 3 to the 6 x y square z I, plus we have minus 6 x square y z j, plus here we have 4 3s are 12 x z square minus 3 x square y square k. So this is what we get after simplifying the del phi. So now let's substitute the values of x, y and z. Wherever you find x, y, z, substitute those values. So after substitution we get so I have written down the values of x, y and z. Now what we'll do, we'll put this and this part in your calculator and find the answer. So this is the value what we got after putting into the calculator. 8i plus 48j plus 84k. Now the DD formula is del phi into n vector. So del phi we already found. So I'll tell you how to find the n vector. N vector is equals to 2i minus 3j plus 6k divided by, now you have to find the value of mod of, for now we will name this as a vector. So this is mod of a vector, that is root of 2 square plus minus 3 the whole square plus 6 the whole square. So that is 4 plus 9 plus 36, that is 49. So it is 7. So I hope this is clear. Just for namesake, to not confuse the n vector formula as del phi by phi, the mod of del phi, I have named this as a vector. This is how you find the mod of a vector. So this is the answer for n vector. So now let's find DD by substituting both the del phi and n vector. So del phi is 8i plus 48j plus 84k. Your dot product with your n unit vector, that is 2i minus 3j plus 6k divided by 7. So dot product is multiplying I into I, j into j and k into k. So 8 into 2 is 16 minus 48 into 3. 48 into minus 3 is 144. 84 into 6 is plus 504 divided by 7. So if you find the value at the end, you get 376 by 7. So 376 by 7. In the end you get this answer. This is 16 minus, see 8 into 2 is 16, 48 into minus 3 is 144, 84 into 6 is 504 divided by 7. If you find the answer, we get 376 by 7. So this is the directional derivation of the given problem. I hope each and every step is clear. So if you have any doubt regarding any step, put them into the comment section, or you can even contact me through Instagram. That is my ID is Learn with Priyanka Kalwad. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe the channel and share it with all your friends. Thank you.